Did you know that nearly 1 in 5 patients end up back in the hospital within just 30 days of being discharged? That's a shocking number. Many people think that once they leave the hospital, they're in the clear. But the truth is, a hospital visit can be just the beginning of your health journey. Hospitals are busy places, and it's easy to feel overwhelmed. In fact, research shows that 30% of patients don't fully understand their discharge instructions. This lack of understanding can lead to mistakes, complications, or even readmission. But don't worry, today, we'll change that. In this video, we'll explore 6 essential things you absolutely must know before your next hospital visit. From building your own health armor to understanding hospital procedures and creating a powerful support system, we've got you covered. By the end, you'll feel confident and prepared, ready to take charge of your health journey. So, whether you're heading in for a routine checkup or something more serious, stay tuned. Your health is worth it, and this knowledge can make all the difference. Chapter 1: The Power of Pre-Hospital Wellness. Your body's hidden armor. Before you even think about a hospital visit, your body is already doing its part to protect you, if you let it. Maintaining good health habits now can drastically impact how you recover from illness or injury. In fact, studies show that people who consistently eat a balanced diet recover faster from surgeries and hospitalizations. One study from Harvard even found that those who follow a Mediterranean diet reduce their chances of hospital stays by 20%. Isn't that amazing? It's not just about food, though. Getting enough sleep and staying hydrated are critical too. When you're well rested, your immune system is stronger, and your body heals quicker. Dr. Matthew Walker, in his book Why We Sleep, shares that quality sleep can improve your body's response to illnesses by nearly 30%. Imagine how much stronger you'd be walking into the hospital if you prioritize these habits beforehand. And let's not forget exercise. Staying active strengthens not just your muscles, but also your heart and lungs, preparing your body for any unexpected challenges. Even moderate exercise, like walking 30 minutes a day, can cut your risk of needing hospital care by up to 40%. So, in a way, your daily health routine is your armor, keeping you resilient even when life throws surprises your way. Chapter 2: The Hospital Survival Kit. What you didn't know you needed. Everyone knows to bring clothes and a toothbrush to the hospital. But what about the items that really help you stay calm and focused during your stay? Here's something many people don't think about: bringing your own pillow. It sounds basic, but studies show that familiar comforts, like your own pillow or blanket, can reduce stress and even help you sleep better in an unfamiliar environment. A better night's sleep means better healing. Let's talk about mental wellness too. Hospitals can be overwhelming, and anxiety can slow down recovery. That's why packing a journal can be surprisingly powerful. Writing down your thoughts, fears, or even small wins each day helps to release tension and improve your mental state. You can also use it to keep track of questions for your doctor or jot down any instructions you need to remember. You might also want to pack some essential oils. Now, this isn't just for aromatherapy fans. Research shows that certain scents, like lavender, can reduce pain and anxiety by nearly 20% when inhaled during stressful moments. Imagine feeling more at ease just by taking a deep breath of calming lavender. Finally, don't forget about technology. Load up your phone with calming music, audiobooks, or even meditation apps. Studies show that music therapy in hospitals can reduce pain and the need for sedatives. A simple playlist could be your secret weapon for feeling better faster. Chapter 3: Doctor Speak Decoded. Understanding the language of health. Let's be real. Doctor appointments can feel like a foreign language class. Medical jargon is confusing, and it's easy to get lost in the conversation. The truth is, understanding what your doctor is saying can dramatically change your health outcome. Did you know that patients who clearly understand their diagnosis and treatment plan are 30% less likely to be rehospitalized? Start by asking your doctor to break down any complex terms. Don't feel embarrassed, most people need clarification. You can even bring a notebook and write things down or ask them to spell out words you're not familiar with. The more you know, the more in control you'll feel. And here's a tip: don't just ask what the treatment is, ask why it's necessary. Knowing why can help you make more informed choices. If you're not sure about something, ask for alternatives. In many cases, there could be a less invasive treatment option available, but you'll never know unless you ask. Lastly, remember this: you have the right to a second opinion. If something feels off or you're not comfortable, don't hesitate to seek another doctor's advice. Dr. Atul Gawande, in his book Being Mortal, emphasizes the importance of patient autonomy in healthcare. You are your best advocate, and asking questions is key to getting the care you deserve. If you find this information helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on living a healthier life and making informed choices. Chapter 4: How to read between the lines, spotting hidden risks in routine procedures. When you go to the hospital for a routine procedure, it's easy to trust that everything will go as planned. But even common procedures have risks, and the more you know, the better you can protect yourself. Did you know that about 10% of people experience some kind of complication from a hospital stay? That doesn't mean you should be scared, just prepared. Take medications, for example. Doctors often prescribe antibiotics after surgery, but did you know that overuse of antibiotics can weaken your immune system? In fact, the CDC reports that about 30% of antibiotic prescriptions are unnecessary, leading to antibiotic resistance. You can ask your doctor if the antibiotics are really needed, or if there's a non-antibiotic option. Another hidden risk is anesthesia. Many people don't realize that there are different types, and each comes with its own risks. Some studies show that older adults are more prone to cognitive side effects from general anesthesia. If you're worried, ask your doctor if a local or regional anesthetic would work instead. And finally, watch out for unnecessary tests. Sometimes doctors order additional tests that may not be essential, which can lead to extra costs or even unnecessary treatments. Don't be afraid to ask if every test is really needed. As patient advocate Tricia Torrey says in her book You Bet Your Life, the best way to reduce medical risks is to become your own advocate. Chapter 5: The Healing Power of Connection. Who you should bring to the hospital. Going to the hospital alone can feel overwhelming, especially if you're facing a big surgery or diagnosis. Having a companion with you isn't just comforting, it can actually improve your health outcomes. Studies show that patients with strong support systems recover faster and are less likely to be readmitted. So, who should you bring? First, pick someone who isn't afraid to ask questions. Doctors can be busy, and it's easy for things to get overlooked. Having an extra set of ears can ensure nothing important slips through the cracks. In fact, a Johns Hopkins study found that patients with advocates were 20% more likely to have a complete understanding of their care plan. Your hospital companion can also help with decision-making. Hospitals can be stressful, and sometimes it's hard to process everything. Having someone who knows your preferences, like whether you'd want an aggressive treatment or a more conservative approach, can be a huge help. Lastly, emotional support plays a big role in recovery. Research from Carnegie Mellon University shows that emotional support from loved ones can actually boost your immune system, helping your body heal faster. So, choose someone who not only knows you well but also makes you feel calm and supported. It might just be the secret ingredient to a speedy recovery. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe for more tips on living a healthier life and preparing for future hospital visits. Your health is too important to leave to chance.